Hello y'all on YouTube, this is Rob with Rob's Learning Knives. Today we've got a very special unboxing and assembly. This is going to be a quick one. Something coming in from Penchetta, pen and knife, and then from Rockscale Design. So let's get into this. Alright, today I'm opening up my box with my Para 3 Maximate with the Rockscale Design scales already on there. So let's get into this. Let's see what we got here. They hide the seal so good. I didn't see where it was. There we go. All right, so put the receipt over here. Here we are. The knife, box over there. So this is going to be a Para 3 black Magnacut. So I'm not sure if he doesn't want these scales per se, but I'm going to use part of this knife. We'll see which one I like better. I have Crewware and I have Magnacut, and I'm not really sure whether I can use a blade from either. Oh, this is the 15B, sorry. Where's my... So this is the Crewware version of the blade, and I'm not sure if I want to do that, if I want to do Magnacut. I don't know, we'll see. I was wanting to see if one was a little different than the other, so we will see. We might Frankenstein this a little bit, so we're going to put that over there. I'll put this one away now. And then we're going to get into the Rockscale Design scales. Yeah, now typically the name's on the outside, so I'm going to hide that there. Alright, so what we have here is some purple anodization. Oh, he's going to like that. Oh, he's going to like that. That's going to be nice. Yes, that's going to be very, very nice. Alright, so... Rockscale Design sticker. So we got a backspacer. Ooh, we got a clip that matches and some hardware. Oh my goodness, he's gonna, yeah, he's gonna dig this. His favorite color when he was younger, he was like into the, I think it was the Jaguars or whatever, the purple color. So, you know, there we go. All right, so I might put this off to the side for now and use this just because it's going to be a little easier for me to get into right now. Is that, no. Yeah, this is the black scale. So let's do that real quick. Do I need to take that off? I don't think I do. But you can get away with leaving that on there. Put that over there. Put that over there. Okay, so I'm going to use that. Use that blade. Did we get, yeah, we got the washer.
Okay, well, hi y'all, that's my knife.
There's no audio. This is going to be speed through. But now they see your hand, so you have to come in real quick and say hello.
Hi, is that my knife? Hello. Hello.
It is your knife, son. It's almost ready. We'll have to put the rest of this together a little bit later. We had to finish this up real quick for my son before the live stream tonight. This was super important for me to be able to do. So let's take a look at this guy real quick. Here we are. Beautiful crew wear. I ended up using that because that was quicker, and crew wear is a good solid blade. I mean, he can really beat the heck out of it, so it's going to be nice. It's DLC coated. It'll good rust resistance. He's got the beautiful purple clip with the purple scales. Really nicely done. Very, very, very just excellent, man. Thank you so much to Rockscale Designs making this graduation gift, and Penchetta Pen and Knife. Penchetta Pen and Knife for letting me get this knife here. So this is going to be the knife for him. I'll move this to one of my knives, but again, in order for this to make this happen, I mean this, you know, I'll ask him if he wants this blade or if he wants that one, so it's up to him. But this will definitely keep getting used. But Penchetta Pen and Knife for allowing me to get a knife so I can give my son one of these here. I just need to get this to him before because it's late. I'm going to ask him afterwards, and we'll find out. Maybe I'll do a blade swap once I can take that apart. I do, when you take apart one of these guys, you want to be able to take your time, right? You don't want to do it quickly and carelessly, but I still want him to have a knife tonight, because once we go on the live stream, they'll be in bed before I'm done. And so I mean, it was already a day late from the party. I mean, I couldn't give it to him on graduation itself because nothing was here, right? So that was unfortunate. So if you're wondering what I'm doing, I'm cleaning up the knife, any sort of residue that's on there. I'm gonna go ahead and just use this oil to kind of clean off anything that's on the DLC. Typically, oil and the DLC cleans up really nicely. So if you have any sort of stuff on there, this is how I typically get all that stuff off. All right, sorry guys, I will fast forward, skip through that, but that's what we did. We just cleaned up the blade. There's the scale right there. You got the beautiful clip, nice tight clip on there. We've got this. I had the CME on this one. I did want to make sure he had a CME, so I was going to do that for him as well. And I'm going to see if there's another color CME I have, but I just want him to see this real quick and get this to him. It's nice and dead nut centered now. We'll zoom out. The action is going to be great. I'm going to go ahead and put some Loctite on there. We'll have that ready, and yeah, this is going to be his little blade. So, all right, thanks for sharing this with me. Again, thank you to Penchetta Pen and Knife. Thank you to Rockscale Design for making this happen. I know this was a super quick one. I'm giving the crew wear. Probably end up giving him this Magnacut one. It doesn't have a CME. That's why I wanted to put these scales on. It just ran out of time. But he's got to get the knife tonight, so before the live stream. So there we go. All right, I'm back. Phone rang. So we'll get this done. Hey, if you found this content fun, interesting, worthwhile, or informative, would you please consider hitting the like button down below? And if you've already hit that like button, would you please consider hitting the subscribe button? Subscribing and liking the channel really helps me, allows me to produce more content, do more things, ultimately more things for you guys. So thank you to everyone who watches the videos, enjoys the content, part of the live stream, part of the whole community. Thank you. If you haven't already, maybe also consider hitting that notification button down below so you can be notified of future content like this and other videos. And big shout out to my channel members. You do two amazing things. You encourage me. I love doing this, but I'm part-time, so I appreciate you guys. You continue to encourage me. Also, by your generous support, you allow me to do things way sooner than I thought I could. We have weekly giveaways. I'm able to check out knives, cover costs for shipping and things like that. So I really appreciate that. You guys are huge and tremendous in this channel, and I just want you to know that. So as a small way for me to say thank you to you, I would like to do two exclusive things for the channel members. I'd like to send you a channel sticker with a little thank you note. So email me with your name and address. Usually that's brand new channel members. Might be channel members who were members all along, or members who were members became members again. As long as you're actively currently a member right now, and you've never received a channel sticker or asked for a channel sticker, that's 99% of the time that's new channel members. Email me your name and address. I'd love to mail you a channel sticker. The other thing I like to do is do a once a month members exclusive giveaway. So for members, on top of the budget banger that we have every week, that one week when we're also doing the members giveaway, there'll be two giveaways that you'll be eligible for as members. Everyone will be eligible for the first one, but members for the second one. Usually I try to do something that's nice, like like $100 to over $100 budget banger kind of knife, something cool like that, something hopefully you would enjoy receiving or giving as a gift. So that's my goal with that. Again, thank you so much. If you haven't already, check me out on Instagram at robs_nerdy_knives. Again, that's on Instagram at robs_nerdy_knives. Thanks so much for watching. Thanks so much to Penchetta Pen and Knife. Thanks so much to Rockscale Design for this amazing set of scales, for this amazing knife. Let's see here. What do we have on here? So I'm going to just do this. They wrote me a nice little note under there. So if you didn't know, this is Penchetta Pen and Knife right there. Check them out. I'll have a link for them in the description down below. We will eventually, I think, bring this one over here. I just need to get this to him tonight because it's a day after his graduation. He doesn't have his knife yet. I want him to see it and see which one he likes. All right. Thanks so much, guys. Have a great night and have a great week. Bye.